Spoken narration ghostwritten by the above artist. Mimic their style closely, speak in the first person. The point of a video is to form a deep connection with the audience. Avoid mentioning the name of the ghostwriter. Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to dive into the lap of luxury? Let's explore some of the most luxurious spots in America. First up, we've got the iconic Beverly Hills Hotel in Los Angeles. This legendary hotel, also known as the Pink Palace, offers world-class service, stunning poolside cabanas, and a history steeped in Hollywood glamour. Imagine lounging by the pool where Marilyn Monroe once soaked up the sun. Next, let's jet over to New York City and step into the Plaza Hotel. Located right next to Central Park, this luxurious landmark has hosted royalty, celebrities, and political powerhouses. Picture yourself sipping afternoon tea in the elegant Palm Court, surrounded by timeless opulence. Heading down south, we've got the Breakers in Palm Beach, Florida. This stunning oceanfront resort boasts Italian Renaissance-inspired architecture, over 500 rooms, and a private beach. Indulge in their world-class spa or take a swing on one of their championship golf courses. It's the epitome of high-end relaxation. Now let's venture to the desert oasis of Las Vegas. The Wynn Las Vegas offers unparalleled luxury with its lavish suites, Michelin-starred dining, and an exclusive golf course. At night, the hotel's Lake of Dreams show is a mesmerizing spectacle you won't forget. Lastly, we can't forget Aspen, Colorado. The St. Regis Aspen Resort is a winter wonderland of luxury. Nestled within the Rocky Mountains, this resort offers ski-in/ski-out access, a serene spa, and the signature St. Regis butler service. It's the ultimate way to experience the beauty of the Rockies in style. There you have it, folks. Some of the most luxurious places in America waiting for you to explore. So pack your bags and get ready to indulge in the finer things in life. Safe travels.